Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm repairing stroke updating our sofa. So you can see when the dog jumps up and down, a bit damaged. We've had these sofas for about 11 or 12 years, but they're still really comfortable, but obviously a bit worn after having two dogs. So this one looks exactly like this. So I'm just about to put some of this leather restorer on it. And you leave it for 5 minutes, and then you take off the excess by buffing it up, and then you leave it for 24 hours and then see how it comes out. But I'll just apply some more on this particular cushion so you can see it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So that's one application of it. Obviously you can apply more layers to build up the actual depth of colour, but I'm going to buff it off in 5 minutes and see how it looks, and if I need to put on some more I can do, but once it's done you leave it for 24 hours before you actually go and sit on it again. But it's looking good so far. So this is the sofa a few days later, having had a few extra coats put onto it. As you can see, it looks fantastic. It looks almost brand new. And I've also done the other sofa as well, which looks in a similar state, but again looks brand new. This was done just 24 hours ago, so I've not sat on it yet. I've just got to put some conditioner on it, but looks brand new. So if any of you got leather sofas, you think they're looking a bit tatty and a bit worn out, that you might think about replacing, seriously consider using some leather restorer to give your sofas a bit more longevity. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.